You know, all the black, when it's burnt, it's black. Like if you cook on a grill and it's black from it being burnt.
What that? I mean, what?
I've been thinking to myself lately.
This nigga training to me. Get shit real quick. Hey! Bro, you went straight.
Hey, he gonna put Corky in with you.
Thank you. Start quarterback.
Hey, yeah. Alright, my turn.
You feel me at the drive-thru because it's closing inside. I'm ready. You feel me? I'm ready.
Okay, crazy. I got 2 different orders.
What the hell?
Oh, that was different.
Thank you.
Bye. What are you all giving it? Oh snap! Got my food.
Can I get some barbecue sauces?
Yes.
Thank you.
Damn, I ain't gonna lie. I might have to go back through after and get some shakes.
I was literally, I was on the edge. I was like, bro, should I get a shake, bro? I was like, nah, fuck it.
No, I'll be behind my house.
We're doing mukbang. You hear me?
What?
Mukbang. Mukbang. How
Mukbang, dumbass.
Same thing, nigga. Same thing. Same goddamn thing. But people, but I don't know how to say it.
Oh, perfect.
I'm ready to do
It begins.
What'd you just say? This nigga.
Where's the barbecue sauce? You think all of them was for this or for you?
She only gave me 1.
Boy, she gave us 3.
Damn, nigga. Nigga, wait, you over there. What do I gotta bring my seat up for? I'm over here, nigga.
We should have asked some.
I can't even get up on this.
You should have asked people to give you some questions.
Oh, that's too late. You gotta be in here talking shit.
Okay, that's right.
Bye bye, chicken wine, my name is thing, Larissa in this thing, baby.
Y'all, we got Cookout.
Cookout. How?
Drove an hour away.
An hour.
And we got here early.
Smack.
No, we didn't. Why the fuck does my clock keep changing? I'm gonna get mad.
All this food
Damn.
for $5.
$5.
This is great. Gotta get, and everybody gotta get in the thing, and we gotta act like we eat, like a thumbnail, like on the thing. So like hold your food up, like
this?
Yeah, or something.
No, dummy.
You hold what? You hold
Here,
something.
eat it. Like, act like you're about to eat it.
No, we gotta get closer though. Shit. Move your head. Nigga, what are you doing? Like, this nigga sitting.
I'm like, what the fuck are y'all talking? I ain't know y'all talking about right now.
Fuck that, nigga.
This is beef for everybody.
It's a burger and 2 chicken wraps and a drink for $5.
A bottle of water at that.
Yeah, it's bottled too.
Or a milkshake.
Oh yeah, you feel me? Whatever you want. We got it. This is a smack too.
I look white as fuck. I'm not this white, y'all.
It's not gonna be this light. It's gonna be darker when it comes out. I don't know how we do it.
Y'all just want to go rob some shit? They don't know us.
Oh, nigga.
They don't know us here.
Oh, you talking about her?
They don't know us in Louisville.
Motherfucker, what? What language was that?
I don't know. It's good though. That's all I know. The fuck? We back. The camera cut off. Ran out of space. This nigga has been out here for the longest changing his sign. Feel bad for brother.
Oh, he's putting them up there now.
There you go.
Back at it, bitches.
Hell to the motherfucking yeah. It's chili smell.
My fucking chicken tastes burnt. You know all the black, when it's burnt, it's black. Like if you cook on a grill and it's black from it being burnt.
What that? I mean, what? I can't eat all this shit, bro.
What you boy, nigga?
Ain't no way.
Boy,
I'm
them
full
nasty
already.
ass fries.
Ain't no way.
Fuck my phone at, my nigga. I'm always losing.
Oh shit, that's your camera number.
And you, she's butter.
Definitely.
We passed our drug test today. We did good.
Y'all passed? I know.
He told us.
Oh, it is?
Actually, I seen mine before he told us. I waited till all my lines popped up. You didn't do that? Oh, I did. Then what the fuck took you so long? You beating your meat?
Nah, I had to piss for real.
Hey, I was sitting there pissing for the longest.
That's what I'm saying. I had to pee in the toilet before I started peeing in the cup.
Boy, what? I pee in the cup
Pee in
before
the
I
toilet before I peed in the car. What?
In the cup.
I was ready to say. What the
I pee in the cup before I pee in the toilet.
You pee in the toilet first, nigga?
No, I had to that time. Cause as soon as I got in there, I had to pee. I didn't have time to open the bottle and do all
I was
that
sitting there
shit.
doing the pee-pee dance.
Oh, no, I was walking in there pissing straight as soon as I got in there. Yeah, I'm tired.
Nigga, what the fuck? I'm like, nigga, whose fingers is it? I see something in the corner of my eye. Who the fuck is over there wiggling their fingers? Some nice toes.
That sound. Slow down.
What you?
I have to.
You hear me?
What?
Put your seatbelt on.
I got problems all